Let's begin by taking a look at the AndroidManifest.xml file for the Doodles app. Now, as we've done in a couple of other apps for simplicity, we're setting the Android screen orientation property for this app, or for this activity I should say, to portrait so that the activity always displays in portrait mode. And basically what this does is it simplifies our code a little bit because we don't have to deal with device orientation changes in the code, and that would require saving out the state of the drawing at a given time and reinstating that as we rotate the device. And that's not to say that we couldn't have done that, but we've already introduced those concepts in earlier lessons, and here we're trying to focus on some new concepts. Now, a new feature that we're doing in this particular app is the uses SDK element with both the min SDK version and the target SDK version specified. Now, by setting the min SDK version to 8, we're basically saying that the minimum supported API level for this app is version 8, which corresponds to Android 2.2. So this app can only be installed onto Android 2.2 and higher devices. In general, you want your min SDK version to be as low as possible so that you can install the app, or I should say users can install the app onto the widest variety of devices. If you use features that are specific to a given API level, you want to make sure that your min SDK version is set to that level, or you need to have code that can test for available features on a given device and disable features that are not available. Now, by setting the target SDK version to 11, we're doing just a simple step to make this app integrate a little bit better with Android 3 and higher. SDK version 11 corresponds to Android 3.0, and basically what this allows our app to do is to use the holographic user interface that was introduced in Android 3 when this app gets installed on an Android 3 or higher device.